Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes how to recreate new system partition MBR in Windows 11. 10. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type BCD edit, find boot drive letter and Windows installed drive letter. In my case boot drive is and Windows installed drive letter is F. Type disk part. Type list space, disk. No star under GPT indicates the system partition type is MBR. Type list vol. Volume 1 is boot volume. Select and delete boot volume. Type list partition. Type create part primary size equal to 50. Newly created partition 1 is selected. Format FS equal to NTFS quick. Assign, active. Assign letter equal to L. Find Windows installed drive letter. Type BCD boot space, Windows installed drive letter colon / Windows space, /S space, assigned drive letter colon space, /F space, BIOS. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.